it off. It's the rubber part that we're trying to remove. And just like that. Just use the plier again to kind of just flatten it. Repeat the process, just same process, just twist and kind of fold a little bit of it and put the connector into it and just twist, pinch, flatten it out. Do the other one. That's the last one before we connect it over here. Alright, that was done. Now, up here, there's positive and negative, so you have to make sure you know where to put it, because you don't want it. There you go. Just push it down. There you go. That's how you do it. You also hooked it in the right spot, like in the positive and negative wire, so that's how it looks like. There you go. There you go, guys. That's how it looks like. And just put it and start putting screws on each side. You have to look under. Cover it like that. Gotta put this screw and just hold it. There you go. That was one. So this is the second one. There you go. Now we're doing the third one over here. There you go. Just kind of tighten it. Using the screwdriver. There you go. It's tight. That's tight enough. All right. That's the last one.
So three-way, two-way actually. This is not the proper way, but this is the way I'm doing it.
We're just hooking the wires with a speaker. So we're gonna, this is the speaker. We hooked that one already. And there's the main line. And now we're gonna put the wires here again. hook it. Just like that. And do the other one again. So you just push it down and hook it up. That's it. And wait until, you know, set it down. Oh yeah. Okay guys, we're gonna start over with the first one was done already and built.
This is all a two-way crossover.
This is a two-way crossover. We're gonna hook it up with the amp wire.
No, we're not doing the amp
Oh,
today.
what is the
Just a regular speaker.
Oh,
just
just
hook
a
up
regular-
regular speakers.
just a regular speaker? This is the amp, the big amp.
That'll be another week or
I'll
two.
loosen it up. Just loosen it so we can put the wire in it.
Okay, then
We got
the
four.
power coming in.
The power coming in. Okay.
Oop, we better find the negative and positive.
Make sure you find the right spot because
It's negative.
that's the negative. That's the positive.
I don't know what to.
So just adjust it. Now we're gonna do the wire part. There you go. We're hooking it up. So just like that. And do the other side. Twist it and hook it up and tighten the screws. There you go. Now we have the
Mid-range.
mid-range. Okay. Now we're gonna put it again. There, let's tighten. Now do the other side. Is it backwards or something? You twist it. There you go, guys. Now the last part.
And now the tweeters.
The tweeter box for this side. That's the tweeter box. That's here.
Some of these will get rehooked to the amp when I'm done, but for today, this is where they're going.
There you go, guys. That's done. Those are hooked. Except for this one, the amp.
That's it. Well, you can't